There is Liberty for the day. Look, just got back from Jumbo Genera, restocking the shelves, and Liberty has found herself a box to lay on. All right, today is Thursday, another hot day. First of all, thank you everybody that gave the positive comments to Lut. Like I said, she's thinking about starting her channel. She doesn't know yet. We'll let her do some vlogs on this channel since you guys enjoyed it. And she'll decide what she wants to do. But anyways, I'm waiting for the taillight to come in. I had to order it through the United States and ship it here. And it should be here beginning of June. And then I'm going to go down and get the car fixed. I'm going to wait till the tail light comes in so they can do it all at once. So that's the update on that. But anyways, Lut has went shopping to restock the shelves. We're actually going to switch the store around a little bit. We only got like 2 bags of rice left, and we're not going to stock the rice and sell the rice. Most of the time what happens is people, they want to be able to touch the rice and feel the rice and sniff the rice and taste the rice, and since we have it inside, people can't do that. I mean, people are still, you know, buying here and there the rice, but you know, like I said, we're going to get rid of it, make more room in here, add some more supplies. But anyways, guys, I'm going to show you all the stuff Lut bought. It's all in bags, and this is going to be a nice fun afternoon for Lut. A hot afternoon for Lut. So here is everything. Bags and bags and bags. And Hannah Grace will be helping. But yeah, I mean, she's starting to go at least twice a month now. Before she would go like every time something ran low. But she's decided now, you know what, I'm just going to go twice a month because the lines in there are crazy long. You were there, what, how many hours? Like 4 hours. Stood in line for how many hours?
I stood in line like 2 hours.
She stood in line for 2 hours.
2 hours before it's my turn. And then it's the problem is when the cashier and the bagger is not matched when they count, they go store, take them all back again,
right,
and count again.
So because everybody's buying so much there, the cashier and the bagger have to be exactly the same with the count number and everything like that. Jumbo Genera is, like I've said this before, people that have sorry stores here, go there because everything is bulk, everything is cheap, and there's sales, so the place is packed all the time. And it's not like they only have 1 or 2 cashiers. They have a lot of cashiers, but you have people there with 3-4 carts just full of stuff, and everything has to match at the end. And if it doesn't match, they got to go back through everything again. So yeah, it is, that's one of the challenges. I mean, she's not kidding. She was standing in line almost 2 hours because I remember she texted me and said, okay, I'm standing in line, and it was 2 hours. So anyways, this is what we'll be doing all day. Here's our rice. Like I said, we only have 2 more bags left, and we'll be done with the rice. So anyways, let the fun begin, I guess. All right, guys, so I just paid the electric bill at the electric place that I go to now. Best air conditioning. It's really nice and cool in there. You don't have to wait in a line. But anyways, I'm up here at WillCon Depot. Now, WillCon Depot is like a Home Depot, a Lowe's. It's sort of like that. It's a very big appliance store. Matter of fact, we came here and tried to look for a toilet tank when we got the Sarisari store. They didn't have it, but anyways, here it is. Here's the WillCon Depot, as you can see right here. I'm gonna try to go in here, show you guys around the WillCon Depot, show you what kind of like, I guess, what a Lowe's or a Home Depot looks like. Hello. And I don't know, let's see what happens, see if they'll let me film in here or not. So let's head on into the WillCon Depot. All right, we are in the WillCon Depot. They have name brands here. Cooler, Walk right in their toilet section. It's right as you come in. Lighting section, you can see showers, shower heads. Pretty nice. Pretty nice displays, pretty nice setup. I'm sure a lot more expensive than down at Marina Arcade. Yeah, very nice. Tiles. Floor tiles. Here's your bathrooms. Yeah, these are really nice. A tub. A tub. Boy, I miss a tub. You get in apartments, they don't come with tubs here. You get a custom make a tub for your house if you're going to have one. So it's rarely you ever see an apartment with a tub. But yeah, that's nice. Nice jacuzzi tub right there. And I miss taking a bath or sitting in a hot tub. That's a nice, another nice jacuzzi. Yeah, it's very nice. There's a little one right here. We won 41,000 pesos for this right here. This one here. Let's go check some prices. This is a cooler. They want 80,000 pesos, 80,856 pesos. This corner one here is 66,312 pesos. It's 51 pesos on the US dollar, so no, 52.30 I got the other day. Another little jacuzzi tub, a little tub right here. Plain simple tub, you're looking at 23,000 pesos. See a lot of people walking, got birds in here and everything. See a lot of people walking down the street where the sarisari store is that work here at this Wilcon Depot. Tile flooring. Wood flooring. Yeah, this is nice. This is like I said, it's like a Home Depot or a Lowe's. It's like hardware back in there. Let me go back there and check the hardware area. Tools and all that fun stuff. First time I was ever in here and walked around in here. Yeah, this is nice. Get down here. And tools. Hardware supplies. Doorknobs, doors. Toolboxes. Huh. Maybe I should have came here. I live and learn. There's some nice toolboxes. 1,200, 1,600, 2,000, 3,000. Huh. Generators, lawnmowers, gas cans, wheelbarrows. Hand tools here. Hello. I'm just looking. Okay. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Saan?
All right. Actually, I got to look and try to find a hose hanger for my garden hose. Let's see what they have. Pet supplies. Gardening supplies. Oh, they have a reel, but I don't want a reel. There's a plastic one. Yeah, really nice here. Home furnishing over here to your right. Nice grills. Nice grills. Lots of grills. 9,720 pesos. Grills are very expensive here. 23,000 for this one. Yeah, that's nice. 33,000 for this one. 48,000 for this one. Huh. Yeah, most people just use a barbecue grill. Regular, simple grill, and they throw charcoal and go. So, anyways, this is pretty much it. Just like a Home Depot back in the States. Exactly. Paints, you name it, like a Home Depot or Lowe's back in the States. There it is, guys.
What's up?
All right, so I got back to the Sari store. Everybody's busy. Sheila's here, Earl's here, Lut's busy, Hannah Grace is busy, and here's what I found out. This cat is one lazy cat. She is just laying here in the middle of all the action, just sleeping. That is a lazy cat.
Busy too. It's busy also.
Oh, Liberty's busy also?
Yeah, busy sleeping.
But yeah, it's it is a major catastrophe going on here, but the girls will get it figured out.
Ay, itong kuya ba ano?
Ay, pito pa ako. Bibila akong tools ko. Yung kala, laasa. Kala?
What are you doing, Hannah Grace?
Open.
Oh.
Nala na siya marker. Tag 14 na siya, no? Pag may mangutangan sa inyo. Kala? O ang kala, o ka ng dagko nga kala.
So what they do is they sell these juice boxes here, and before you leave the store at the grocery line, they actually open them up and count to make sure that there's the right amount in the box. And then it comes with a pack of straws, and what Hannah Grace is doing is she's getting the straws out, and she is individually cutting the straws because they don't come separate. You have to cut the straws individually, and so you get a straw with the juice, right, Hannah Grace? One juice, one straw. That's what you get.
Colors like this.
That's what?
Like this.
Yeah, they're in a pack like that, and then you have to. She'll show you how it gets. She'll show you how it's done. Now you're going to cut them, right, Hannah Grace?
No.
You're not going to cut the straws?
No.
Yeah, but you have to. Oh, so they're all together. Sometimes they're all together, and then the other ones you have to cut.
This is plus and this is biggie.
Oh, different juices, different straws, and how they're packed. Yeah.
Huh?
So you may ask, how do we hang all this stuff on the wires here? How do we get all the stuff up on the wires? Well, let me show you.
Ito may sabi ko sa'yo dati. Meron pa nga palmonod na kulay peach.
Lut stands on the stool and hangs it all up there. That's how we hang all the stuff on the wires. They're anchored pretty hard because, well, they're anchored pretty good because we've never had them come down yet. And that's quite a bit of weight up on this one here because a lot of this is your powders for doing your laundry and everything like that. And you get them up there and you get a bunch up there and they weigh quite a bit. So knock on wood, we haven't had any come down yet. That is how we hang our products up on the wires. And still sleeping. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. It's about 6:30, and we are still going at it. Like, this is an all-day event. You know, by the time you get to the store, stand in the line at the store for hours, and get back here, sort everything out, wipe the old product down, move it to the front, and get the new product up and mark things. It's an all-day event. She's about 90% done now. But yeah, we took the glass cabinet that was on this side and moved that over to this side, and we had another shelf that we added into the store to put more product on. And Lut always gets more than what she needs for the shelves and stuff, and then keeps it in stock. So anyways, Lut is very I don't know, she's going strong, you know. Lut's a strong person. She's going strong, and you know, that's the will of the Filipinos. But anyways, Lut, would you like to say anything?
Oh my God, right now my head is black.
Your head is block.
I just don't know what I'm going to say because I'm so busy where I'm going to put things. It's so packed.
Yeah. All right, guys. Like I said, this is it, and I'm gonna wrap this one up. Tomorrow's another day. Journey continues. What's tomorrow? Friday. Yeah, Friday. Today's Thursday. Saturday.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
See, I forget the days sometimes here. So anyways, see you guys tomorrow.